Welcome back. We got the '06 Forester here that had the bad window motor. Well, what we ended up buying was the whole new regulator and motor assembly. It was actually cheaper to buy it this way. So we got that. We're going to swap the whole thing out. If you didn't see the other video, go back and see that on how to take the door panel off, and we are going to get started on doing the regulator here and now. Plastic is going to get peeled off. We're going to pull out these screws to get this metal bracket off. We'll pull the speaker out too because the plastic is going behind it. We'll get that out of the way, peel off this whole thing, and then we'll start on the regulator. Let's get that stuff off. Okay, that stuff is off. We'll peel off our plastic. Try not to get all that stuff stuck on our fingers. It's already ripped off because someone else was here before us, which is kind of has me a little worried. That should give us enough room to do what we got to do. The glass is attached to the regulator here, here, and here. These two you could unloosen and be able to slot it out. That one has to fully come out. And the problem that I'm having here is that I can't get this window to go down. So we're gonna have to kind of loosen them up from the very top over here. This one, and hopefully be able to pull this one out also too. There are stops also that keep the window from coming up too high. One here and one over there. And we're gonna pull these out also, and then we're gonna pull the glass up and out to get it out of the way. And we are also gonna remove these little glides. I already got that one loose. I'm gonna pull this one out of the way too. I pulled out the stop here for how high the glass could go. I etched a line around the circle so it'll go back in the same place. We got that one out. Front one I have loose. I'm gonna try to get that one out next. And unfortunately, I can't get this motor to go down, so I'm kind of stuck working on it this way. Not ideal. Ideally, you'd want to get it down here where you can get the bolts out. You have room to play with your glass, so we'll see how we proceed. I got the front stop pulled out now too. It's really tough, but you kind of hold it with your finger when you pull the bolt out and then kind of pull it up from the top. This is removed, pulled back, and we're going to try to lift the entire glass assembly out of the car. The stud is out from the regulator there, and the other two bolts are just, or the other two nuts are just loosened up and they slid out of that sleeve now. Change of plans. This is gonna stay right there. We're gonna leave it there. We're gonna work on bolts here and these two over here. These are all 10mm. This one we're not gonna take out all the way because you're gonna kind of hook it on that. Get that out of the way. Okay, we got the window regulator unhooked. It's down here, kind of wedged. The roller that is here is currently still stuck in this guide. So we're gonna unbolt this and wiggle it around to get that roller to come out. And like I said, the glass is precariously stuck here at the moment, and we're gonna just kind of try to just leave it there for now. Hopefully it doesn't drop to the ground and shatter into a million pieces. But let's keep plugging ahead. These are 12mm. Pull those out. Remove that guide. Okay, the track is off. We're gonna try to get that roller out of there. Come on. Off now. We'll leave that in the bottom of the door, and our regulator is flopping around. We've got to try to compress it enough to get it out through this hole. This is going to have to be taken off here. Pry tool here. What's holding this baby? There we go. Try to get this whole mess out of here. Origami puzzle. Okay, the old one came out with much difficulty because it's basically stuck in a position that we didn't want. We're able to slide this back and forth to get it out like the bottom part of the hole, and then slide the whole assembly out. My camera mysteriously stopped. Set you up again here. This is how it should come out. We got the guide slid on to the window regulator. This is the one that's going to go up like this. This will sit over here, those two studs coming out over there. So now we'll get this mess back in. We got the one bolt hanging there, that's going to come right to that spot. So let's get this in. Get a nut on those. Get you where you need to be. There we go. Get a nut on here. There we go. Come on. Another one here. Put them back exactly where the other, the line of the washer was before. And we got to get this other end hooked up here. Where is that bolt? There we go. All right. The other one started here. Leave everything loose for now until we get all the bolts in. All right, we're going to try to get the glass down now. There's the one stud over here, the nut on it. One's going to go there, one's going to go in there, and the other one we're going to have to feel for it inside. It's right out over here. Get it back onto that stud. So we'll get the glass back in, hopefully without breaking it. We got it kind of stuck up here. Come on. There we go. Don't drop it. All right, that's sitting there. There's the stud. I think I'm where I need to be now. All right. Actually, I should try to run it down further. Maybe I'll be able to get it on easier. Things in here. Let's snug these down a little bit. Where those were before. Snug. That one looked like it was sitting here before. That one has no adjustment. This one has a pivot. And it looks like it was right there. And let's get these snugged up also. Let's get plugged in. We're going to run it down a little bit to get that other bolt onto that stud. I think I could get it easier if it was down here more. Ah, there we are. Access right from there. These can be tightened now on the glass. That. All right. We got to get our stops put back in. Might be a little bit easier. Shut you up. That's going to go in here. All right, we got that back. The same spot it was before because we scored a line around it. Get the front one in here now. This one has a little notch that holds it in position. Let's see if I can fit my fat fingers down in there and get it in without dropping anything. Yeah. Ooh, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, there we go. Tighten you up. That tight. You got that tight. Make sure these are tight. That can go back. And now the window guides. Use the outline of where the bolt was before, tighten them up and put it in the same spot. These are here just to keep the window from rattling. Let's run it all the way up now and down. Everything tight. See how it works. That's down. All right. Might be a little high. Let's see. We're going to try to close the door first too. Got our window up all the way. Close the door and see if it's in a good spot. I would say that that is good. Stops were right where they were before. This stick back where it needs to be. Metal bracket to go back on. I don't have to show you how to put back on the door panel because I'm sure you'll figure that out yourself. So if this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to. That would help. And thank you for watching. Ugh, look at all these greasy fingerprints. We gotta take care of that. And there's a new project in there. You'll probably see that in a few weeks.